Elon Musk saying the quiet part out loud, admitting he plans to eliminate Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid. The video straight ahead. Plus, debunking Musk's racist conspiracy theory about why Democrats are fighting to protect entitlement programs. Welcome to the No Spin Zone. Graph's Grievances starts right now. In a rare interview Monday, the world's richest man, Elon Musk, dropping a bombshell and revealing his plans to eliminate Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid. Take a listen.
The race report in entitlement spending, which is which is most of the federal spending is entitlements. That's like the big one to eliminate, because that's the sort of $500 billion, maybe $700 billion a year.
Musk, in an interview with Fox Business, calling entitlement programs the big one to eliminate. That's right, eliminate. Not reform, not trim waste, fraud, or abuse, just wipe them out. He didn't hesitate, openly admitting on national television that he wants to take away money and health care that you are entitled to as a citizen of the United States. And here's the thing, entitlement programs like Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid exist because as a citizen of this country, you have a right to them. These aren't handouts, they're guarantees. Each of these programs has specific eligibility criteria. You have to fall within a certain income bracket to qualify for Medicaid. To receive Social Security, you generally need to work for at least 10 years and be 62 years old. And to qualify for Medicare, you must be 65 or older. But no matter how you slice it, these are programs that the U.S. government guarantees you as a citizen of this great country. Yet, despite that, the South African-born Musk wants to eliminate these essential programs that provide healthcare to the elderly, healthcare to the poor, and financial protection for seniors of all income brackets. So why is Musk after these entitlement programs? It seems there are a few key reasons. First, the price tag. Here's a look at the 2023 federal budget and where the money went. You'll notice that Social Security, Medicare, and Medicaid cost the government a ton of money. In fact, together, they made up nearly 50% of the entire $6.1 trillion federal budget in 2023. For Musk, eliminating these programs is a quick way to chop about $3 trillion from government spending and drastically shrink the federal government, which, by the way, appears to be the real goal of his Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE. This isn't efficiency. But there's another reason, perhaps more personal, that Musk wants to axe these programs. As a billionaire, many times over, he doesn't need them. Musk will never rely on Social Security or Medicare, unlike the 99% of Americans who worry about retirement or face the very real threat of financial ruin from a health crisis. Musk's wealth means he never has to think about these issues. He is insulated by bodyguards, private jets, and compounds around the world. And while some billionaires use their wealth to help those less fortunate, Musk has chosen a different path, using his fortune to back a billionaire president who aspires to be a dictator and shrink the federal government to concentrate power in himself. If Musk gets his way, eliminating these programs will leave millions of Americans less healthy and less financially secure. But there's one more reason Musk is gunning for these programs, and it's a dangerous one. Check this out.
I mean, the wage support in entitlement spending, that is also a mechanism by which the Democrats attract and retain illegal immigrants by essentially paying them to come here and then turning them into voters.
Yes.
So this is why the Democrats are so upset about the situation, because they're losing. If we turn off this gigantic money magnet for illegal immigrants, then they will leave, and they'll lose voters.
Did you catch that? Musk is pushing a racist conspiracy theory claiming that Democrats protect entitlement programs to attract undocumented immigrants who, he falsely says, will turn into Democratic voters. That's not just wrong, it's a lie. Democrats and many Republican voters support these programs because they help American citizens live longer, healthier lives. Undocumented immigrants don't get benefits from these programs. In fact, they pay into Social Security and Medicare tens of billions of dollars a year through taxes. In 2022 alone, undocumented immigrants contributed over $25 billion to Social Security in taxes. So no, Musk, these hardworking people aren't mooching off American taxpayers. And Democrats aren't using these programs to replace white voters. Another baseless, racist accusation. While Musk is undeniably a technological genius, that doesn't mean he's immune to spreading harmful, racist conspiracy theories. And let's not forget, Trump may have promised to protect Social Security from cuts, but this is a man who constantly flips his positions and I don't think has ever kept a promise in his life. What happened to build the wall, by the way? With no threat of re-election, Trump's political agenda is entirely about amassing power and has nothing to do with policy. So here's the reality. Democrats need to take Musk's comments deadly seriously. They need to start messaging around this issue, tie Musk's billionaire agenda to Trump's, and remind Americans what's at stake. The future of their healthcare and financial security. Thank you for watching Graf's Grievances. Let me know what you think. Please like, subscribe, share, and join me tomorrow for more.